Hello and welcome to a special episode of Paranormal Playtime. In this miniature episode, me and Ethan are going to be taking a look at the one, the only, Hope Furnace, located here in the Sandusky State Forest. Now Ethan, are you familiar with the story about this furnace?
No, I am not.
Okay, so these furnaces were running 24/7 during the time they were in operation. And because of that, they needed a night watchman. Someone who would go around, make sure the furnace was still operating, and made sure, nothing bad happened to it. Now, these men were highly dedicated because they would be up all night, they would make rounds. It is said that as they would make their rounds, they would light lanterns. So you got to think, down here, there was a whole building that went up that hill, up there, a whole building up there. Whoa. This area was massive. Now, one night, one of the night watchmen decided to come out, even though it was storming. Now, according to the legend, right as he got onto the top of the furnace up there, tragedy struck because the lightning struck nearby. He slipped, he fell into the molten ore in the furnace, and he died. So rumor is that he still makes his rounds here, not letting death stop him. So we're going to see if that's true or not in this quick little investigation here. Now, as you pointed out earlier, we also have this, which says Visconti furnace. Then it says 18 something. Looks like it says something down there too, but I can't make it out. Yeah. I don't know where these are from. These are new, as far as I know. And this place was called the Hope Iron Furnace, as far as I know, so that's just an interesting thing I wanted to point out real quick. But I'm going to turn off my flashlight, but we can keep our headlights on. So, if the watchman is here, please let us know. Can make a noise. Can tap on our shoulders. You can light your lantern on top of the furnace. Can also whisper into our microphones. Ethan has an EMF detector in his hand. Feel free to touch it and you can make it spike. Okay, well, doesn't seem like you're up for that. So we're gonna try one last thing. This is called a spirit box. Now this is a little radio, collects radio signals, and you can use it to communicate with us. So we're going to turn this on and see if we get anything from you.
S-Box. Scanning. FM.
Okay, is the night watchman here? It either said maybe or it's me. Are you here with us right now? Are you watching over your furnace?
Is Rick?
Did you die here? Do you not know that you're dead?
No.
That was a clear no. You hear that?
I don't know if it was a no or an I know. Are you here at the furnace? Oh, did you just fall through the furnace again?
Too far.
Too far? My name's Austin. Can you say Austin? His name is Ethan. Can you please say Ethan to me?
I'm pretty sure I did.
What is your name? All we know is that they called you the Watchman. What's your name?
Hiding.
Hiding? What are you hiding from? Can you please give us some clearer answers? We need intelligent responses. Can you tell us your name? What did you do here?
Light.
Light? Did you keep the furnace running? Come on, just let us know. Did you keep the furnace running? Do you remember a big storm? Come on, just let us know that you're here. If you don't start communicating, we're gonna have to leave. Is this your furnace? Okay, this is your last chance. My name is Austin. Can you say Austin back to me? Okay, well, thank you. We're gonna shut this off now. Goodbye. Okay. Well, we got some answers, but not much.
Honestly, I felt like we got as much, if not more, intelligent responses than we did in Moonville.
That's true. But I don't know, some of it was a bit off the walls, I'd say, but...
Yeah.
Okay, Watchman, we're about to leave, but if you want to give us one last chance to make yourself known, you can speak to us. You hear that?
Yeah. So, like, all the way out there in the void of...
Great. Okay, you have one last chance to make yourself known to us. Make yourself known. Okay, I'm actually going to give you one last chance. Just if you can finish this for me. Okay, well, thank you. If you said anything we didn't hear, we'll hear it on the camera later. Thank you for communicating with us tonight, and thank you for watching over the Iron Furnace. Okay. Well, that's it for the Hope Furnace.